What's up? What's up? What's up? You are worth it. My name is Liberty V Justice, and there's no period in my V because my victories never end, and I'm here to help you get your victories, legends. What's up? So a common comment that I get is, you want money. What? Like, girl, bye. What? You want money? Yeah, nobody wants money, and the people that want money, that's a bad thing. What's up? Hey, what's up, Desmond? So the common comment that I get is, you want money. Well, I mean, so you're saying that when you go to your minimum wage job that you don't want money? You want to go to your job and not get paid for it. And the fact is, hi, what's up, James? What's up, PBG, Cedo, Whips? So you're telling me that 100% of you, the work that you have done for 7 years now, was absolutely free and you didn't want to get paid for it. You're a liar. So you want money. And the fact is this. Everyone is worthy. As a human being, to be worthy and valuable, you have to do one thing, and that is breathe. I mean, even actually, you could be dead and still be valuable. Okay, you're still worthy. But the fact is this. Everyone wants money and everyone wants to get paid. But the fact is this. The people who do things just because they want money and just because they talk to people because they want things, those are called bad people. There's a reason why people get paid the amount that they do. And it's because they do it just for the money. They don't do it for the people. They don't do it because they care. They don't want to do it. They believe that's the only way. Sometimes I think that people like that are downright evil, but I have a really hard time believing that, since I know people and since I believe in my heart that most people in the core, people are good. That's what I believe. So I have a hard time believing that people are just straight up evil just because they're doing things because they want the money and that's the only reason. However, I myself did sleep outside for about 7 years, and I've been doing YouTube I've been doing YouTube for 8 years. I started TikTok with no promise of a payoff, and they did pay me at a certain point. When they did finally start to monetize TikTok, they did pay me, but then they quit paying me because I choose to speak my mind. Now, I am following the rules of TikTok because I didn't know some of the rules existed, and I still don't know what some of the rules mean, but I'm doing my best because I don't want to hurt my community. But the point is this. I've been doing TikTok, and so they're not paying me anymore. So TikTok, YouTube, this Facebook live stream, my podcast, which this is going to go into, probably going to put some stuff on Instagram from this. The point is, it's free. I do it. I give it to you for free. I never ask for money for it because I'm doing this because I care. However, I am a business and I don't have a job, and I do deserve to get paid. I do deserve to eat. I do deserve to have a place to live because I work very hard. And I will be a billionaire flying on my private jet one day with my husband, 12 years with no sex so far. And it's worth it, and he's worth it. Okay? So, but the point is, I don't do things just for money. And the point also is, yes, I do want money. And what they're implying, I believe what they're implying with the question, you want money, is that what they're really saying when they say I want money is that I want more money, and I know that you do as well, but I'm not going to pay you for it, and I'm also not going to step up and do the work to earn more money that you will one day have. So I know that I'm worth it. I know that those mean people are worth it, the haters. I know that the people that are, even if there are completely evil people, I know that they're worth it as well. And so I give this free content because I care, and I even want to help the haters. The mean people, the people that threaten me, threaten my life, they threaten my family, they know where my family lives. All of these things, the people that call me ugly, the people that call me stupid, the people try to discredit me, the people that when I was homeless, they used to say, oh, you're homeless. Like, I mean, what are you saying? Like, I know that I was homeless. I also know my purpose. And I also know that a person's value does not decrease simply because they don't have a place to live or money coming in for their business. or whatever it is. Or if somebody's an addict, that does not decrease their value. I've been clean and sober 14 years. But the fact is this, if you want something, you have to earn it. And most of the time, when you go to a job, you see that the person is not on the job. They're not focused. They're talking to every person around them. They're talking to their coworkers. They're on the phone. They're texting. They're going to the bathroom so they can use their phone. They're going outside so they can get on the phone so the cameras don't see them. They're talking to everybody around them. They're talking to all the customers, and they're wasting a lot of time on the clock. So do they deserve the pay that they're getting? I guess. But do they deserve any more than that? Certainly not. Not at all. See, deserving something, you have to earn it. If you want it to have more money, you have to earn it. And as an artist, as a business person, as a business owner, you have to do a lot of things for a long time for free, like video content, the podcast that I make, my music, all these things. And you have to do it for a long time with no promise of a payoff, because you have to do it because you enjoy doing it, and you have to do it because you care for other people. You have to send DMs, you have to send texts, you have to get ignored and rejected by a lot of people. I talked about this in another podcast about rejection. Do you fear rejections? Because if you do, you fear the rewards as well. I fear people are going to hate on me, but I still do it. I go to TikTok live and I still do it. People are mean, but I still do it anyway because I have a purpose, and I fear not accomplishing my purpose and helping people more than I fear the people that are going to be mean. And more than I fear the negative comments, more than I fear looking like an idiot, more than I fear being embarrassed. I want the rewards, and I want to show you that you're worth it. You can do anything you want to do. Okay, so if you're willing to be embarrassed, you're willing to look stupid for a while, you're willing to go without payment for your art, you're willing to go sometimes without food that you need, you're willing to go without housing, and you don't have to. You can work your 9 to 5. But the point is, if you're willing to suffer, and the more you suffer, two things. The more you suffer, number one, the more you're going to learn and grow by going through all these obstacles that are actually just opportunities. And number two, the more that you suffer and the longer you suffer, then the more embedded this lesson is going to be in your mind that you're worth it. You can do anything you want to do. You'll have unstoppable confidence like I do. There's another podcast. Check that one out. Unstoppable Confidence. Actually, you can check that out on my YouTube channel as well. So all this stuff I do for free, and I put this message out there. I want to be seen and heard by every person on this earth, because I want you to know that you are worth it. You can do anything that you want to do. If you want to do it badly enough, and you will find the way. And if you don't, then you'll find an excuse. Okay? So no excuses, just do it. You are worth it, okay? So lots of love, guys. Thank you so much. Just quickly, before I go, I just wanted to let you know that on Thrive Market, I get paid every time someone uses my Thrive Market link to get a subscription. To get a subscription membership to Thrive Market. I get paid every time. It's about $60 for a whole year. That's $5 a month. But you pay for it all at once. And every time that someone becomes a member of Thrive Market, I get a little commission off of that. And another person, a veteran, a first responder, a teacher, or somebody in need will get a membership for free every time that someone buys one. So get a membership to Thrive Market. It's an all-natural market. It's all fair trade, sustainable. No GMOs. GMOs are banned. Everything's natural. So check out Thrive Market. They even have hair care, all kinds of stuff. So check out Thrive Market, guys. If you want to do something badly enough, you'll find the way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. Okay? You want money? Everybody wants money. And if you do want more money, though, if you want to make the kind of money I'm talking about money so tall, all of the men want to fall. Millions, billions. If you're an artist, you're an entertainer, and you want to make a good amount of money that's really, really secure, and you want to be free, let me know. Holla at your girl, Liberty V Justice. I'm Worth It Incorporated. Just send me a message. All right? Let's work together. I'm here for you. I'm Worth It Incorporated, emotionally equipping entertainers for financial abundance. I'm here to free your mind, man. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Subscribe on Apple Podcasts. Spotify has a video podcast now. Share this with a friend who needs this today, all right? You are worth it. My name is Liberty V Justice. There's no period in my V because my victories never end, and I'm here to help you get your victories. Legends, you're worth it.